Alright, going to check on the seedlings. I'll see it when I get there. Alright, that sun is coming out and we got blue skies up. Hopefully it can warm some of these seedlings up. Here they are. I've been digging them out all night, as you see, trying to give them at least a chance at survival, because this stuff's just so icy and heavy, you know. So they survived, and now we got some sun coming. They're about to hit these little guys, so that'll be positive for them. And ooh, man, look at him. He's got ice on him. They got ice, and it's freezing out. So I'm gonna end this one here.